The activity books are a series of 18 booklets that provide supplemental letter practice, oftentimes using letterboxes for additional structure. Like the workbooks themselves, they're illustrated with original artwork in full color and reinforce motor learning theory through repetitive drill and practice activities progressing from blocked constant formats to more variable and random ones. The booklets emphasize 2 to 5 letters at a time and are packaged either as individual sets of 18 or as a therapy pack in a clear display case. Once completed, an equally unique Size Matters character sticker is issued to the student as a reward. Each activity book contains similar exercises increasing in difficulty or challenge from Book 1 to Book 18. Page 2 is always a pencil control exercise, requiring students to carefully move their pencil from dot to dot in horizontal, vertical, diagonal, circular, or radiating directions. The pencil strokes reinforce the letter lines utilized in the letters being drilled in each book. Page 3 is always a Trace It Make It page, using letterboxes and with starting points. Page 4 is a shape art page, in which the perceptual challenge of visual closure is practiced. Page 5 is called Same Game, and is a visual discrimination game, first with shapes and later with letters. Page 6 mixes up drill and practice in a follow the arrow game, testing the printer to make a letter correctly in randomly placed letter boxes on the page. Page 7 is called Pathfinders. It requires the child to stay on a gradually thinning, turning, or curving path from beginning to end, printing the starting letter of the picture at the end of the path. It's Amazing is always page 8, and will similarly evolve into more complex twists and turns in which the child must get from the beginning to the end of the maze without touching the maze walls. Letterboxes are included at the end of the maze. Look Up, Look Down is a gaze shift challenge found on page 9 and is a letter practice page also. Design Copy is page 10 and progresses from a 4-dot matrix to 5, 6, 8, and 9 dots. Dot-to-dot drawings are on page 11. The unique feature on these pages, though, is that the sequence of dots is a purposefully selected section of the alphabet, perhaps from K to P, as in this drawing. An increasing number of dots, lowercase letters, and mixes of both make this more fun and therapeutic than usual. Line mazes are on page 12. Following the circuitous intersections and loops of each line makes the task of knowing which letter to put in the letter box below more challenging. Page 13 is for letter patterns and progresses from simple A-B patterns to more involved ones. Page 14 is about reversals. In the wrong way pages, pictures are initially used, but later become individual letters or words. Page 15 is a coloring page, but more than just that, each book contains a message about health, safety, and community awareness. Cheerio forms at the top of the page are included to warm up the fingers for precise push and pull movements. Lastly, page 16 is a practice page using standard margins and page layouts.